Hi there, students. To overstep the mark. Okay, a nice idiom. To overstep, to go too far. So if you overstep the mark, you behave in a way that is completely unacceptable. I really overstepped the mark by the things I said to my boss, and he fired me. Okay, so to overstep the mark, to offend people by doing something that they think is rude or is unacceptable. The government has overstepped the mark by doubling taxes. They've gone too far. Yeah. I think you overstepped the mark by criticizing him in that way. I think the Prime Minister has overstepped the mark by implementing policies that are not good for the country, and they will make people very, very angry. I think the referee overstepped the mark when he sent the player off. I don't think it was justified. I think he went too far. This type of advertising oversteps the mark, in my opinion, and it should be banned. For example, trying to make people buy things because you make them afraid. I think that's overstepping the mark. Maybe the gutter press, they like to overstep the mark in what they say, because if they get sued, then being sued is good publicity for them. Okay, so to go too far, to cross the line, to behave in a way that's morally reprehensible, that is unacceptable. Okay, yes, he got very drunk and took all his clothes off and danced on the piano. He really overstepped the mark. He went too far. So, formality. I think I'd probably give this idiom a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I think maybe in something very formal, I think maybe to cross the line or something like that. He was far too friendly with me, and I feel he overstepped the mark. We should have kept some distance in the relationship. I think Bart Simpson spends his life trying to overstep the mark and then see how people react. And then, well, the origin, to overstep, to go further than the mark. So here's the line of what's acceptable. Yeah, and you overstep the mark, you go over the mark. So literally you are crossing a line. So, tell me about a time that you overstepped the mark. Yeah, and then probably you felt very embarrassed after it. I asked him some extremely personal questions, and I think really they overstepped the mark. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To overstep the mark.